there, folks. Today I'm going to show you the next activity, which is altered images. And it's a really fun activity. It's more of a drawing and coloring activity. We've been doing a lot of sculpture stuff, which is fun, and sometimes it's nice to switch back to do some drawing. So with this activity, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for an image in a magazine. This image could be anything. It could be an animal. It could be a product of some kind. It could be a car, something that you like, you think would be really cool. You're going to carefully cut out that image all the way around, and then you're going to glue it down on a piece of white paper. For those of you working remotely, if you need white paper, definitely let me know. I can get that for you. And then you're going to start to brainstorm ideas. Okay, what can I do around this particular image? And finally, you're going to color it in really, really well with colored pencils. So no light stuff, really deep, dark, rich colored pencil. So let me show you when I got started. So right now, this pumpkin I happened to find in a magazine, and I thought it was super cool because it had all these spikes on it. So I cut it out and I glued it down on a piece of paper. And I very, very lightly in the background here started sketching some ovals to create some orbs of some new pumpkins. And because this one is really decked out, really kind of fun, I thought it would be really cool to do some different things with these other pumpkins. So I'm just in the sketching phase. But once I'm ready, I'm going to switch over to colored pencils. Now, sometimes with colored pencils, what we tend to do is we tend to draw and color very lightly with them. I want you to go really deep and rich. We don't want to see any of that white paper if we can help it where you're coloring. Keep it really, really rich and dark. You could even try mixing some colors. So like for my pumpkins, it's not really going to be just one color orange. There are yellows, there are greens, there could be some browns to mix in with that. And then also any other color for items I'm adding for these as well. So again, once you found your image, think about what it is you're going to add around that image and then color it in super nicely with colored pencil. So if you have any questions, just let me know, but that's where we're going next. Have a great day.